Welcome to This Week in Wimberley. I'm Chris Doelle. I will be joined shortly by Mr. Z, Gary Zupancic. This is a show where we talk about what's going on in and around the Wimberley Valley, all the fun stuff. We will get to that in just a moment, but first, quick message from some people who made this show possible. Premier Cuts has locations in San Marcos and Kyle, and man, they are the absolute best. I can say this for a fact because I have been getting my hair cut there for well over a decade. And if I do say so myself, I think it looks really nice. They have some great specials. Wednesday, $14 men and boys haircuts, and Tuesday, $16 women and girl haircut. Both of those are $5 off the regular price. They also have the amazing airplane chair. If you have a kid who is getting his or her hair cut, sitting in the airplane chair will keep them distracted, keep them entertained, so the stylist can get their work done. The San Marcos location is on Aquarina Springs, and the Kyle location is just to the right of the HEB Plus. Again, that's Premier Cuts in Kyle and San Marcos. Looking for a one-stop shop for all your indoor, outdoor, garden, and ranch needs? Look no further than King Feed and Hardware. Our customers rave about our old general store vibe and the unique, eclectic mix of products you won't find anywhere else. Whether you need tools for the garden, supplies for your pets, equipment for your livestock or construction business, or just something for your home, we've got you covered. Plus, don't miss our destination nursery and garden center with a constantly changing inventory of plants, trees, vegetables, yard art, and outdoor furniture. Bring the family and visit our animal residence or pick up toys, games, and books for the kids. Come see us in Wimberley, Texas, and discover what makes King Feed and Hardware the ultimate shopping destination. All right, everybody, join me in welcoming Professor Z to the show, Gary Zupancic. How are you today?
Oh, doing wonderful. I guess, clouds are going to be intermixed here the entire weekend, but right now the sun is shining and it's gorgeous.
Yeah. I love it. Except with all the rain, we do have more mosquitoes than I would like.
Well, yes, that is true. I have to go around the yard today and just knock over, everything contained in water. But it's nice to see the sun,
No doubt. I'll never complain about getting rain.
I have to agree to. Just keep it coming. Let's get out of this drought.
Right. Cool. So what do we got going on this week?
Well, this weekend, the 20th, is Armed Forces Day. And so the VFW 6441 is going to host a barbecue for all service members. Right. Even if you're from out of town, hey, it's a free, really good barbecue lunch. I've had it before. Military service members and their families and local first responders, anyone now serving or has ever served. So, and they're over there right off of Jacobs Well Road, right off of 12. They're pretty good. The VFW, of course, also the bingo ice goes on Friday nights. So there's a lot going on there, Friday night and then Saturday, the barbecue.
Yeah.
And yet there's one more.
Nice.
The big band is going to honor the Armed Forces Day, Stars and Stripes, right there at the VFW Post 6441, right on Jacobs Well Road. So really, you sort of can hang around Craig's or, or you can let you park in a parking lot, between the meal and the Armed Forces Day celebration.
There you go.
With the big band. So, that's pretty cool. The county is scheduled to begin final operations at Winters Mill and 3237. They are going to pave the whole thing again from, I guess they do it at night, and it's going to be the final thing. They already have the light installed, so I don't think they've turned it on yet. I'll find out here in about an hour. But it's finally Winters Mill, and that, has always been sort of a dangerous situation because you're coming down 3237 and there's nothing there. You're just flying, all of a sudden, boom, there's like what we consider, a freeway. Okay?
Right.
It goes up to 60, So, it's pretty dangerous, right there at Hildy's. And So So now it's going to be a little safer, and I really will appreciate it because there's been so many times I've sat there trying to turn or something, you know. So,
you can sit there a while.
Yeah, so now it's going to be, you know, at least a time like, and, you know, really, I don't know what they've done, like, in the past 10 years. But, you know, the Lottie 1492 and Ranch Road 12, I didn't think that was going to be so good. But really, they have a sensor there, and really, you're not there long. I mean, you know, as soon as there's a lull in traffic on Ranch Road 12, boom, 1492, man, you're able to turn. So, TxDOT is doing a pretty good job around here. I don't know about the circle over there by Hay City Store, but yeah.
You're still complaining about that one. I love the circle there.
Yeah, sort of, you know. So, you know, hey, when it came to sports, we had two tracksters. Is that what do you call them? No, Harriers are this when they're in the fall, cross country. Well, anyways, two long jumpers, Gabriel Ray and Emily Thames, both were state winners with the UIL for the long jump.
Nice.
That's pretty nice, yeah. And and Texan coach was awarded UIL Coach of the Year. Ken Gustafson, the sectional boys tennis coach, he was named Coach of the Year for 2022, which is something to be very proud of, you know, no matter, you know, what sport it is, you know. All right, so, you know, always there's lots of bands in town. On Friday, Helen Cronin at the KWBH patio. That's at 10:15 in the morning, so you can start your day out right. 5 p.m., Corey Anderson Kellogg at Ghost Note. 6:30, Marvin and Laura Batera at Fishtails. 7 p.m., the Texas Atras at Savages, and 8 p.m., Galaxy at the Purple Barn. Now Saturday at 1 p.m., Fallon Franklin at Rough House Brewery. 2:30, Eric Flores at Seven Sun Vineyards. 4 p.m., Wyatt Weaver at Ghost Note. 5 p.m., Nate Rodriguez at Rough House. And this one, I should have done a little bit. It's called at 6 p.m. DFOY Music at Middleton Brewing. So I don't know what that is. I don't know what the initials stand for. But you know, if the Middletons, it's got to be pretty good. You know. Full on Fiasco was at Savages at 7, and Kim Meeks and her Bad Habits at Hayes City Store also at 7. 7:30, Intergalactic Space Corps at the Purple Bar. 8 p.m., Bob Appel at Mercer Street, and 8:30, Wish You Were Beer at the Purple Bar. So, yeah, that's a nice sort of a phrase. At Sunday, Oscar Omelius at Devil's Backbone, Jerry Burns at Middleton at 3 p.m., also 3 Pearl Snaps at Mercer Street. 4 p.m., Gus Miller Band at Ghost Note, and the Hill Country Honeys at Savages, both at 4. 6 p.m., Swede Austin at Hay City Store. Monday at 10:15 on the patio. Virtual County at the patio. 5 p.m. River Mountain Green at Savages. 6 W.C. Clark at Hay City Store. Also at 6 Open Mic at Middleton Brewery. And Hannah, Bearcat at Savages. Okay, so Bob Slaughter is this week's guest, and really he is playing all over this weekend. He all over Wimberley and Drippin. Friday it's at Drippin Springs from 6:30 to 9:30 at Homespun. So and he's all over. He's playing like 2 or 3 places a day. You know, so he's at the Creek House Kitchen and Bar in Wimberley, both Saturday and Sunday, and at the Barton Creek Farmers Market. So. His song, which, if you haven't guessed, he is the musical guest this week, and The World Passes By. And what he wrote this about was he was sitting in Driftwood, and it was raining. It had been raining a couple of days, and he was thinking about when he was in Taos, New Mexico, and how dry it was, you know. So he's just sitting there thinking, letting it rain, you know. So here it is, The World Passes By.
Within a state beyond the known, sleep or awake, out here all alone as the world passes by. From living in a dream, the way it must be, trying to make it real, searching for a scheme, and the world passes by. It makes me want to cry. Once in a while, someone appears with a loving smile and a heart full of cheer, and the world passes by, and I don't even care. And our souls take flight, soaring in the sky, swimming in the light, and feeling so high.
Mais de temps en temps, quelqu'un apparaît avec une sourire affectueux et un cœur plein de joie, et le monde passe, et je m'en fiche.
When I'm back in my state, all on my own, could this be my fate? Out here all alone, the world passes by. That's all right with me, as the world just passes by. It's all so plain to see. That's it, man.
Excellent stuff as always. Wow. Yeah, and you say he's playing all over the place, so definitely worth swinging by and checking out.
I agree. He's playing by himself, and I guess on Saturday, 6 to 9, he's playing with the Laughing Waters. So otherwise, I think it's solo. So yeah, if you get a chance, definitely go out and get to see him because he's pretty good. Our nonprofit this week is the Rotary Club. Now, Rotary Club has chapters all over the world, and they're really, I guess their whole mission statement is service above self. I know here in town, they promote reading at the library and in the schools, and they supply free reading programs from kindergarten through sixth grade. And internationally, okay, really. They have led efforts to eradicate polio, illiteracy, and starvation. And in addition, Rotary seeks to promote cultural understanding and peace through exchange programs between its member nations. So really a big deal this week was that they awarded their annual scholarships to Trinity Rivera and Thomas Watson. So they went ahead and used that this fall when they go to college. And if you want to know more about Rotary Club of the Rotary Club of Wimberley, it's real simple, RotaryClubOfWimberley.com. So, you know, I really, Bob Slaughter, too, if you have more interest in him, it's bobslaughter.com. You know, we keep it simple here.
Yeah, definitely. And on the Rotary Club, I want to mention that, you know, if you're new to town or you're starting up a business, Rotary Club is great for networking, getting to know people, and doing good things at the same time. So it's a wonderful organization.
Exactly. You know, and they really do promote reading here in town. And, you know, if I had a hat on, I'd take it off and salute them.
Right. I love it. Well, Gary, thanks again, and hope you have a really good week until we talk again.
All righty. Well, thank you, Chris. Appreciate it. Take care.
Suffering from dry, itchy skin? Tired of using products that just don't work? The organic lavender salve from 100 Oaks Farm in Inez, Texas is just what you need. Made with only the finest all-natural ingredients, this salve is proven to heal wounds, soothe irritated skin, and repair damaged skin tissue. Whether you have rashes, burns, bites, stings, scars, acne, or just need a little extra moisture, our lavender salve is here to help. Say goodbye to dry, cracked skin and hello to soft, hydrated skin with 100 Oaks Farm's organic lavender salve. Order now at 100oaksfarmtexas.com or call 937-499-4790. Don't let damaged skin hold you back any longer. Get your hands on this miracle organic lavender salve now. As always, I want to thank Gary for sitting down with me. I want to thank you guys for tuning in, for giving us what I consider the most important and valuable gift you can give, and that is your time and your attention. Go out there and participate in your city. Participate in all the great events going on in the city, and tell us about it on your Facebook groups, on your Twitter, anywhere you have friends. Share it out.